Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You need the basics in place: a TV with AirPlay support and both devices on the same Wi-Fi. Once those are ready, enable AirPlay on the TV in its settings so it will appear as a target. On an iPhone or iPad, open Control Center and tap Screen Mirroring. On a Mac, click the AirPlay icon in the menu bar. Make the TV visible and look for the TV name. This gets you from setup straight to selecting the device you want to stream to. After selecting the TV, you may need to enter the 4-digit code shown on the TV screen. This verifies the connection and prevents accidental casting. On iPhone, choose Mirroring or pick an app's AirPlay button for video/audio only. On Mac, pick Mirroring to duplicate the display or use the TV as a second display. Make sure sound routes to the TV by checking volume controls and the app's output setting. If performance lags, switch to the 5 GHz band or move closer to the router for a stronger signal. To finish, stop AirPlay from Control Center on iPhone or the AirPlay icon on Mac. The TV will return to its input. If the stream drops or audio/video is out of sync, reboot the TV and the source device and toggle Wi-Fi. Make sure both devices run the latest OS and TV firmware to avoid compatibility problems. One key troubleshooting step: reboot the router, then reconnect both devices. This often clears.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.